right here I have some muriatic acid in this. This happens to be kitty litter, but I'm using it so that I don't get any liquids on my bench top. I've already gotten this broken free. This works with zinc and this yellow chromate or something. Not yellow chromate. Anyway, this stuff is the same stuff that I've had in there probably a year. I've used it a few times, but it's not evaporated. So what's going to happen is, just like a chemical reaction, it's going to eat away at the coating, and I'm going to leave that in there till it stops bubbling. I believe the byproduct here is hydrogen. I'm only agitating to make sure I get all the sides. So when the chemical reaction is done, it's visible. So at this point, it is stripped of its coating. And we shall pull it out with needle nose pliers. Drip, drip, drip. Put them onto a rag, shop rag. We're going to rinse it off. So rinsing it off, in this case I'm using alcohol spray bottle. I'm going to end up spraying it a couple times, probably go through some Windex also, just make sure everything's clean. And when it's all said and done, you have a nice stripped, ready to weld nut. And that's what's going to happen with these, putting them in my cross member. Thank you.